Okay, so we have another video of Donald Trump stopping at a fast food place and interacting with people. Just beautiful. Watch this.
I need everybody.
Take care of the people, okay? Take care of them. We'll do the blizzard thing. Is the fake news having a good time? I hope you like the speech. A lot of passion. A lot of passion. We want to see our country brought back. And our country is not doing well, but it will be doing well again very soon.
We love you, Trump! We love you!
Thank you, everybody. Good team, right? Good coach. They've got a good coach. You're our president, Mr. Trump. Love you. Anybody want one? Here, I'll give one to ABC News. Does ABC News want it? ABC Fake News. Here you go. We're bringing them back to the train. We're bringing them back. I'll pass it down. Anybody want one back there with the? Do they need? I think they need. Give you some. Thank you, guys. This guy, 45. I like that guy. Trump.
I can match that.
Yes, sir. Look at that. 45, 47. Can I throw this? Oh, I'm giving that to you.
And I love you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are gorgeous.
Hey Trump, I'm one of your interns.
Oh, good. I like
Wow.
that. I like that. Oh, look at this. I want this one. Everything okay with the news, the media? How's the media doing? Fine? Everyone okay? Let's see. You were the Thank you, Mr. Trump. We love you. Thank you. Come on over here. Come on. So thank you very much. Here's some spoons for you. Yeah, darling. We need you back in office. Country's going to hell. That we can tell.
Yes, Mr. President, we love you.
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
I'm taking this one myself. Thank you very much, everybody. Take care of the people, okay? Take care of the people. Margo and everybody, all right? God bless you, Mr. President. Thank you. Don't order caviar. We're taking care. Don't order any caviar. Okay, thank you.